You think she doesn't notice. Every move you make, every word you say, every reaction you give, she's reading it. Women have a sixth sense for detecting weakness. And the worst part, most men don't even realize when they're giving off signs of insecurity, neediness, or lack of control. If you're struggling in relationships, getting ghosted, or constantly feeling like women don't respect you, you might be projecting weakness without even knowing it. But here's the good news. Stoicism teaches you how to correct these mistakes and build unshakable confidence. Today, we'll break down 7 ways women see you're weak and how to fix them using Stoic techniques. Number 1, you seek validation too much. Men who constantly ask, "Do you like me?" or "Did I do something wrong?" appear weak. Why? Because it signals a lack of self-worth. Marcus Aurelius said, "It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own." You must stop seeking approval. Instead of asking for validation, validate yourself through your actions, discipline, and purpose. A man who doesn't need constant reassurance is a man women respect. Number 2, you apologize excessively. Saying sorry when you haven't done anything wrong is a major sign of weakness. Over-apologizing makes it seem like you're afraid to take up space or upset others. Seneca taught that true confidence comes from self-mastery. Instead of over-apologizing, use alternatives. Instead of "sorry for being late," say "thanks for waiting." Instead of "sorry for asking," say "I appreciate your time." Speak with purpose, not guilt. Women respect men who own their actions without unnecessary apologies. Number 3, you're emotionally reactive. Do you get upset when a woman ignores your text? Do you lash out when things don't go your way? Emotional instability is a huge sign of weakness. Epictetus said, "Any person capable of angering you becomes your master." The ability to stay calm under pressure is a sign of strength. Next time you feel triggered, take a deep breath and respond. Don't react. Emotional control makes you appear powerful. Number 4, you over-prioritize her and lose your mission. Many men drop everything for a woman, thinking it will make her love them more. In reality, it does the opposite. Marcus Aurelius lived by the philosophy that a man's purpose comes first. Women respect men who have ambition, drive, and a sense of direction. Make your mission your priority, and she will respect you more. Number 5, you fear rejection and avoid taking risks. Weak men hesitate. They avoid eye contact, fail to make the first move, and overthink every interaction. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Train yourself to embrace discomfort. Take small risks daily, whether it's approaching a woman, asking for what you want, or stepping into an unfamiliar situation. Confidence is built through action, not avoidance. Number 6, you complain instead of taking action. Nothing is more unattractive than a man who constantly complains about his job, his bad luck, or how women treat him. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Stop focusing on what's unfair and start focusing on what you can control. Women admire men who solve problems, not whine about them. Number 7, you chase instead of attracting. If you're always texting first, always making plans, and constantly trying to win her attention, she senses weakness. Focus on self-improvement, not chasing. Build your confidence, your purpose, and your strength. When you do that, you become the prize, and women naturally gravitate toward you. Women don't respect weak men, and they can spot weakness instantly. If you're making these mistakes, it's time to change. Stop seeking validation. Control your emotions. Stay focused on your mission. Stop chasing and start attracting. Adopt these Stoic techniques, and you'll not only command respect from women, but from the world itself. Subscribe to be Stoic.